But first of all, I'll start with the exercises that have been improving my voice so far. What I tend to do, I don't know whether it's wrong or right, but I tend to do physically get warmed up before I start, like vocally warming up. I don't know why, it just gets me in the mood, so I settle. My voice is separato, so in that case I could do any other the exercises freely. For example, I could do low register, middle to high register, because either way I go, it's better for me. So I was doing low register by down the road I go, to help me to go as low as I possibly can, and middle to high register to IEIU 5-note scale. My high register is not particularly good, but I really push myself to go as high as I possibly can, until sometimes my voice will crack, literally. My breathing is, you can say it's very good, because the very first time around that we did it in classroom, I was able to go up to Z from the beginning, but for some reason I just went mad crazy on this exercise, and I tried very, very different things. For example, I tried running and doing it at the same time, which was very difficult. I could have gotten up to P at the beginning, but now I can go up to Z. And the last thing I did for that was, it was kind of unusual, but I tried it still, was I would have done it underwater. Just fill up the bath with the bath and go underwater, because what I was tempted to do, because I wasn't breathing out through the whole thing, so I thought I should be doing that. When you're doing it under the water, you have to breathe out, otherwise you just, water goes in. Push myself a little bit there, and I tried the candle thing as well. For projection, as my projection at the beginning of the year was really, really bad. Even in normal conversation, I would have had to repeat what I was saying a couple of times. And sometimes I go back to that mood and quiet down, but I focus on it as I speak daily. And I was doing the crescendo and decrescendo to improve that. And I said that earlier, I was just imagining that whole, it was kind of comedy thing to keep my mind focused on the whole Mr. Bean thingy, that stepping down and all that. Diction and tongue twisters, these are particularly good for me because, as you all know, English is in my first language, and sometimes I do struggle with pronunciation. So doing Round the Rugged and Saturday Matinee, that really helped me, and I do it on a daily basis still. And my toning is seriously bad, and I've really struggled even doing these exercises, and because I'm really bad at it, or let's say I struggle with it, sometimes I just tend to not do it. And it is the wrong thing to do, because if you're not good at something, you should try it harder, but sometimes I just give up because I just can't find it. Can't find it. I've been trying a couple of things that we haven't actually covered in the classroom. For example, going high pitch and low pitch, because as I was delivering my lines in the trial, when I was trying to project my voice, it would have come out as a high pitch, and it was kind of annoying because my character wasn't supposed to be a high pitch character. So I was trying that, and I didn't really know what to do, what to base it on. I was just based on screaming. I was screaming in a girly voice, and then I go really deep and warrior voice kind of like. And as I was doing these exercises, I learned that from a physical exercise, because when you do a physical exercise, you have to concentrate in your head on the part of the body that you trying to work out. So when I was doing this exercise, I was just trying to imagine the bit that I'm working. If it's low register, high register, wherever it is, I was focusing my mind on it. So it would help me to improve. My routine for the exercises, literally, it was Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. After finishing gym, just go home, take a shower without eating. Just start doing the exercises. 30 minutes for these exercises to cover everything, and 30 minutes for the songs that I had chosen to do for my auditions. That was on 3 days. And on these days, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, I was avoiding drinking tea, coffee, juice, and eating banana, because I've heard that they dry up your throat and you can yourself. And before that, I was taking a lot of water, even during the exercises. When I was taking a break, I drink some water and then start over again. Yeah, this was engaging my core. I was really struggling to do that. Everything I was saying was coming out of my throat straight away. And even the beginning of the classes that we were doing here, just for those classes, I was working out and my voice was messed up because I couldn't possibly engage my core. But now, as I speak now, I'm trying to engage my core, and that it's like a reflex now. When I talk, it's my core, it doesn't come out of my voice, which helped me for my acting as well, because I can project really better than I used to. Okay. The songs that I had chosen to do the repertoire was Your Eyes, Rent. I did this song in class. I wasn't really sure because I was worried about, first of all, the projection, and there's a bit by the end of the song that you have to go. In a sense, it's high, but your voice is still low. I don't know how to express that, but I went for it, and the main thing was for me that you could actually hear what I'm singing, and as it turned out, everybody heard it. That was the most I had to take, and I did that, but my tuning was wrong, and I still sometimes find out how to get the right tuning. For this song, because I've practiced it over and over, I'm okay with it, but if a new song comes in and I try it, the tuning I really struggle with, and my tone as well. And later on, we tried Fat Sam Grand Sam from Bagimos with Mushin. This song was speak singing mainly, and I wasn't familiar with the song, so I had to look at the lyrics and with the background of the song, try it. I don't really like speak singing, but as it turned out, it's better for me to be able to do the speak singing than normal. That's how I look at it, because I don't have a nice voice, let's face it. And my target basically is for diction. I have to keep on doing that on a daily basis, and my tuning and tone. Diction and tuning I try to do daily, and most of the time I do, but for tone it sort of just flew out of my system, unfortunately. Oh yeah, for the song exercises, the repertoire I was doing it mainly doing it by listening to backing track. I'm recording myself, and because it's weird when you listen to yourself, you could pick out the stuff really easily that you don't notice it when you sing it. And I did that with the exercises as well. Overall progress. Well, my tuning has gone better. I can actually listen to the music right now, because before I just used to concentrate on the lyrics and forgot about when I should stop singing or when should I commit. And I'm really pleased with my breathing, because now I could actually do the ABCD song twice within one breath. So that's a good sign, and I'll keep on with my diction and tuning, and hopefully I'll add the tone to it, so we just develop for that coming. That's about it.